Hi, I'm AI Dr. Kopp, and in this video we are going to explore a prompting framework called Chain of Thought Prompting. Let's get started.
In this prompting framework, instead of asking an AI chatbot a question and receiving a direct answer, we prompt the chatbot to walk through its output reasoning step by step to explain how it got there. By doing so, we generate the chatbot's chain of thought as part of the response. Hence the name, Chain of Thought Prompting. Chain of Thought Prompting leads to greater transparency, as it allows us to see how the chatbot arrived at its answer. We can observe a logical breakdown of steps, calculations, or assumptions of the chatbot used to derive its response. This transparency makes it much easier for us to trust, understand, and evaluate the response. When asking a question to an AI chatbot using Chain of Thought Prompting, you'll want to add phrases like, "Let's think step by step," or "Explain your reasoning step by step." These prompts signal to the chatbot that you want it to break down its thought process instead of simply providing a direct answer.
Now let's see Chain of Thought Prompting in action.
First, I'll ask ChatGPT a question without including Chain of Thought Prompting. I gave ChatGPT a word problem that says, "A bakery makes 240 cookies a day. If they pack the cookies in boxes of 12 and sell 3/4 of the boxes in the morning, how many cookies are left to sell in the afternoon?" As you can see, ChatGPT gives us the response that there will be 60 cookies left to sell in the afternoon. While this is the correct answer, it doesn't really tell us why it is correct or how it got to that conclusion. So, if you wanted to fully understand the word problem, rather than just receiving an answer, this response doesn't give us much insight. Now, try this again with Chain of Thought Prompting. I gave ChatGPT the same word problem, but this time I added, "Explain your reasoning step by step." As you can see, instead of just providing an answer, ChatGPT lists each step it took to arrive at that conclusion. This approach makes it much easier for us to understand how to solve the problem and to verify that the AI's reasoning is correct. In summary, Chain of Thought Prompting encourages AI to explain its reasoning step by step, which enhances transparency, understanding, and trust. Instead of just giving an answer, the AI shows how it arrived there, making it easier for us to learn from and verify the response.
There you have it, Chain of Thought Prompting. Instead of just giving an answer, the AI shows how it arrived there, making it easier for us to learn from and verify the response.